Today, we are going to talk about how to make novel coronavirus cases map. First, we should install the Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript running environment based on the Chrome V8 engine. Here is the CMD window, and after we put the path, we can find that we have done install the node on the computer. The next step is to open the code. This is our program. Let's see the data we have prepared. This is administration district data. For example, these are the center point and the name of countries. In the country region.js, there are coordinates from each region of each country. For example, this is data from Russia. There are the coordinates of each province in China. This is the region of Macau. This is the novel coronavirus cases data. First, in ncp.json, it's the statistics data from each province of China in 2 months. They are the cases data on March 23rd, 22nd, and 21st. This is the novel coronavirus data all over the world. This is the data except for China. This is Chinese. This is Italian, and so on. And then enter the path of src, convenience, data. This is the name of each country in English and in Chinese. This is population data, which is used to calculate the incidence rate. This is the center point data of the province in China, including properties and geometry information. And geometry information includes coordinates and tabs. Properties include population and name of each province. This is a Chinese-English comparison of each province. We are done with the data. Next, this is the main page named indexed.html. On this page, we quote the data that we showed. In app.gsx, we can see the code that implements the main function is from application.gsx. We are done with the code. In the package.json, we can find it quotes the depends libraries from node models. So before running the program, we should install the node models. We can input the command npm install. After we finished, we can see the node models folder under the project content. We can run the program by inputting command npm run dev. After the program runs successfully, we can find the main page in English. There is REST level map. Under the page, we can see the histogram in 2 months. And this is new confirmed cases map in China. In this histogram, we can click the button to control the display of local cases Hubei, local cases outside Hubei, and overseas imported cases. We can control the duration time by dragging the control buttons. They are the current confirmed cases. This is a reported incidence map. This is a global map. We can zoom in and zoom out and pan the map. We can click to see the number of new confirmed from a country. This page is the cumulative confirmed map in the world. And this page is the reported incidence map. We can also switch the language by clicking this button. After switching, we can see the text in this page has been switched to Chinese successfully. If you want to change another language, you need to prepare data in different language first. This is country's name English.js, includes Spanish.js comparison data. All data are in English on the left and in different language in the right. This is the description on the page includes title, headlines, and so on. Uses Spanish files to replace the same files. After we replace these files, refresh the page again. We can find it changed to Spanish. When you zoom in, you can see the Spanish names of different countries. All the text on this page is in Spanish. Finally, if you use the data of your country to make the novel coronavirus cases map, pay attention to modify the map centered to your location. In the map manager.js, you can modify the point of the center, and then you can refresh the page. We can find that it has been modified.